Good morning, students. Today start the video of chapter 6, Lines and Angles. Chapter 6, Lines and Angles. There are some angles are here. First, right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an acute obtuse angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angle. Two angles the sum of whose measure is 90 degree. Two angles the sum of whose measure is 90 degree are called complementary angle. For example, 60 and 30 degree are complementary angle because sum of these angle is 90 degree. Supplementary angle. Two angles the sum of whose measure is 180 degree is called a supplementary angle. Each of two supplementary angle is called supplement of the other. For example, angle BAC and CAD are supplement to each other because angle BAC plus angle CAD is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair axiom. The two axioms given together are called linear pair axiom. Which sum is 180 degree. Sum is 180 degree. And sum of all angles in a round is 360 degree. Vertically opposite angle. Two angles are called a pair of vertically opposite angle if their arms have from two pair of opposite ray. If their arms form two pairs of opposite ray, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. AOD is equal to BOC. Angle AOD is equal to BOD. Now AOC is equal to BOD. AOC and BOD, COB and AOD. These are two vertically opposite angles. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Lines and angles. Find angle which is 1/3 of its complement. Let the complement angle x, now angle is equal to x by 3. Now x plus x by 3 is equal to 90 degree. 3x plus x upon 3 90 degree. 4x upon 3 is equal to 90. Now x is equal to 90 into 3 upon 4. Now cancel out here, 45 3 is 135. 135 divided by 2 is equal to 67.5. Okay children, now angle equal to 67.5 upon 3 is equal to 22.5. Find an angle which is 4 times of its supplement. Find an angle which is 4 times of its supplement. Let the angle is equal to x, supplement angle is equal to 4x. X plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. 5x is equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 upon 5. Now x is equal to 36 degree. That is the answer. Question number next. And figure AB, AC are the opposite ray. Value of x is equal to 32 degree. Find y. We know that angle CAD plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degree, because sum of the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Now put the angle of CAD is equal to 3y plus 11 and DAB is equal to 2x. CAD is equal to 3y plus 11 and DAB is equal to 2x. Putting their values, 3y plus 11 plus 2 into 32, 64. 11 plus 64 is equal to 75. 11 plus 64, 75. Now 75 goes to the other side. It is the minus sign. 3y is equal to 180 minus 75 is equal to 3y is equal to 105. 3y is equal to 105. Now y is equal to 105 upon 3 is equal to 35 degree. Y is equal to 35 degree. Question 12. In the given figure, determine the value of x. These are the complete angle. These are the complete angle. So sum of all angle is 60 degree, 360 degrees. Sum of all angle is 360 degree. Now sum here x plus 2x plus 2x plus 60, x plus 2x plus x plus 60 degree. Now 2x and x is 5x and 60 goes to the other side. Write down the minus sign, 360 minus x. 5x equal to 360 minus 60 is equal to 5x equal to 300. Now x is equal to 300 upon 5. x is equal to 300 upon 5. Value of x is equal to 60 degree. 5 6 30. 5 6 30. Now answer is 60 degree. That is the answer. Children, this video is over.